Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Fingerprinting. Fingerprinting is also called as dactylography or dermatoglyphia. Fingerprinting is given by Henry Dalton sister. Fingerprinting was first used in India way back in 1858 in the region of Bengal by Sir William Herschel. In 1892, fingerprinting is systematized by Sir Francis Galton. In 1897, first fingerprinting bureau of the world was established in Kolkata. Even identical twins cannot have the same fingerprints, but they have the same DNA profile. So fingerprinting is the best method of identification. It is even superior to DNA analysis in identification. Family planning is sorry, fingerprinting is never inherited. Fingerprinting is never inherited. So paternity can never be determined with fingerprinting. Appearance of fingerprinting is in the intrauterine life. Ridges starts to appear on the fingers by 12 to 16 weeks of intrauterine life, and they completely develop by 24 weeks of intrauterine life. These are called as ridge patterns.
thank you and thank you for watching.